Greetings, guys. This is for Tizo Trading Institution. So today I'm just going to be speaking about a very important subject, like why do we really chose like to be involved in volatility indices? Why did they really chose to trade this instrument? Out of all instruments that are there in the marketplace or in the foreign exchange market, why did we chose to trade this instrument here? So the sad thing about this part, it is that a lot of people, what they saw, it was that they saw the first thing that attracted them, it was seeing screenshots of 0.01 lot size, yet making profit up to, maybe let me say, $1,000 in a small lot size, and profit up to maybe $1,000. So this, it drew people's attention, and people said no, we are going to trade this instrument. Why? Because of such returns, you see. So basically, what attracts a lot of people to trade this instrument, it is basically the returns that are linked, more especially with the V75. So from the beginning, you can see that the attraction, or what draws the people, it is something which is not good at all, because now people, they are being drawn by this, seeing such returns. Wow, what I want, it is just money. So this instrument is going to buy me a Ferrari in a week. It is going to buy me a house in a month. It is going to buy me a private jet in 2 months. So let me just go and trade it. So the moment you come into this field, you are now focusing on making this. You forget about the risk management. You forget about timing your trades. You forget about everything. Now your eyes are focused on the returns, so which is not a good thing. So you see, now you will get to understand why a lot of people who trade volatility indices, they lose a lot of money. In a day, they can lose up to $1,000 in a day. Those who trade volatility indices, they can lose any amount at any period of time, because their focus is in the returns. They are only focusing on getting money. They do not focus on how do we manage risk, how do we protect what we have. Because if you go to the market, let me say you go with $500, let me say you go with $500, the most important part of it is to make sure that this $500, it is being protected. This $500, it is being protected. And then the second part of it is that this $500, it give birth to another amount of money. So, but when it comes to traders, when they come to the market, they focus on how can I multiply this, not how can I protect it. So they focus on multiplying these dollars into a lot of money. They're basically looking for a lot of returns in a short period of time. So basically, when your focus is in the dollars, when your focus is in making the dollars, you will forget about the risk management. So then you will forget about defending your capital. So therefore, your capital will be exposed to losses, because it will not be protected. So that's why you find a lot of people who trade this instrument, they really don't use stop losses. They really don't cut their losses, you see. So to speak the truth, I trade indices, and I trade indices a lot. But what I can tell you is that I also trade Forex, because I started trading Forex, and indices, they just found me along the way. So I trade indices and I also trade Forex. So then the other mistake that they do when they saw this instrument, They then neglected this and they say we remove this and now we are going to focus on this. Yet in forex trading, it is easy to trade in forex trading with $50. But in indices, we trade with $50. It is very, very difficult because a single loss, it can cost you -10, which means maybe you have only 5 chances. But in forex with $50, you can risk and be able to risk maybe let me say $1.5, which means you have a lot of opportunities, up to 40 opportunities. Here you have only up to 5 opportunities in indices. So people, they neglect this great guy here, currencies trading, forex trading, where the risk is very, very low. There is low risk, and here the risk is very, very high. So people, what makes them to lose money, it is actually their mindset. It is no longer focusing on risk management. It is focusing on how I can increase my dollars, how I can increase this money. People are making dollars in a day. People are making such amount in a day. So they subject themselves into a lot of risk. For an example, people will be spending their time trading, maybe let me make an example, boom and crash. I don't say that I don't trade it, but I really don't trade it every day and every time. I trade it when maybe my confluences are met, all my requirements are met, then I can trade it. So you find people that they trade this every single minute. So their trading depends on luck. Their trading depends on luck. A lot of traders who trade this instrument, their trading depend on luck. I've been with them, I've been studying them. They really depend on luck. That if the market can just go this direction, I pray that the market doesn't spike. I pray that the market doesn't do this. I pray that the market just move one candle. So you see that it's all about luck. It's no longer about strategy. It's no longer about analysis. It's no longer about all their confluences coming together. So this is not good, guys. If you want to trade efficiently, make sure that you formulate a great system which whereby risk management, it is the key. Risk management, it is the main thing for you to make money trading this instrument. So that's what I can say, guys. I will continue to be dropping videos like this, videos that will help you, videos that will open your eyes. This is a very, very good instrument, but guys, let us trade it with care. It will really finish your pocket. It will really finish your pocket. So let us trade it with care. Let us apply proper risk management, and let us make sure that we have the right capital to trade this instrument. You see, don't just take your last capital hoping for luck. It is very, very hard to be successful through luck, because luck doesn't come all the time. But if you manage your risk, you have a good risk reward ratio, you will always be profitable at the end of the day. So strive for that, guys. Not luck, not hoping that if the market can go against me, I will be profitable. If the market goes against me, I will go and buy that private jet. It doesn't work like that, guys. So let's make sure that risk management is the key in everything that we do. Thank you for watching this video. This is Fortizo Trading Institution.